how to fix this connection error on Valorant, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first just type here device manager, and then go to processors and make sure to update all those drivers here, and also go to display adapters and update all those drivers. And after that, type here run, click on it, and type here services.msc, click OK. Scroll down until you find here VGC, right click on VGC. If you can't find here start, and just click restart, start or restart, just click on it, then right click properties, select here automatic, apply and OK, and close this window. And after that, restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, make sure to run Valorant as an administrator. And that's it. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.